Hey babes, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I am probably just starting the vlog here, so if you guys are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So basically today is Tuesday. I'm starting the vlog a little bit later, well not later in the week, but we didn't start on Monday, just to go ahead and give myself prep time. You guys, I know I've been gone for a minute, so just have some patience with me. I know the fan is on, I'm sorry about that, but I need to have my room nice and cool and ventilated. But anyway, I'm just right now cleaning. This is my current room situation. So I just finished making my bed, but I really just need to get rid of like all the stuff that's on the windows and then all of this stuff, and then I have a few things accumulated on the dresser. So this looks like a mess because we've just had a bunch of like events and things, so like yeah. But anyway, this needs to get all fixed and clean. I'm doing that. I'm hanging up clothes. Just biggest thing, if you have a bedroom, don't get like a bench or like a little thing, because that's where your clothes will accumulate. But I know it's aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I took a shower. I did a little bit of a self-care day type thing. I just needed a little bit of a revamp, so I'm just wearing this white top. This is from Forever 21. It's like one of their like silky nicer lines. I'm wearing an airy bralette under it, and then these are my favorite like soft linen sweatpant type thing from Zara. So yeah, really cute, really comfortable, and yeah, that's the vibe. Like, that's my vibe. My bed, hold on, let me fix this lighting for you guys. I don't know if you guys, okay, so my bed does have a bit of like a yellow, it's because of the window, but here, let me close up on my comforter. It has like a little bit of yellow stitching, but like things like that I don't mind. But look at how pretty. It's just a white aesthetic. If it can fix itself. There we go. Look at that. It's just a white aesthetic, and I love that. Let me get rid of this, because this is probably going to be a picture for the thumbnail with my pink cup even. But yeah, so pretty, so cute. So I just changed really quick. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is where I film my TikToks, by the way. If you follow me on TikTok, then you'll know. There we go. Alright. So I'm wearing the same pants and stuff I was wearing earlier. I just put on a green cardigan and my Air Force Ones. This on really quick. Need to come and grab a mask. I don't know about you guys, but I grab a new one every day because if I don't, I break out. Shoot. I'll just take this card. One second. So this is what Amazon Fresh looks like, guys. We made it to the grocery store. I will vlog once we get in there. Hallelujah. Guys. Oh, it was so windy. It's so windy. Trying to make sure everything that I got stood up. But I'll show you guys a grocery haul once I get home. But yeah, so that's what Amazon Fresh looks like. I put in a few old clips in there too, just so you guys can see their cool dash carts. I recorded that for a previous vlog that never went up. So yeah, I just got the essentials for what I was gonna eat for lunch and stuff today. I'm just gonna have some chicken, some roasted chicken with some roasted potatoes, peppers, and onions in a lemon garlic sauce thing. So yeah.
Hey Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you. Call me back.
This is lunch. I made it on a paper plate because, you know, we're kind of in a rush. It's 2:45 and I have to eat and finish getting ready for work. So we have sausage, which is the sausage I showed you guys, and then potatoes with onions. Seems like a big serving potatoes, but it's about one potato, or like 3/4 of all the, no, it's like a potato and then a little bit of chicken. So yes, y'all, that's my meal with some green habanero. Yes.
I can't forward none of y'all niggas, y'all discuss me. When you with your maggot ass friends, don't discuss me.
Hair, I have to wash it, so they're gonna have like some Olaplex treatment in it, some other like oils. Sorry, I just had to get my camera out of my car because Echo. Turn off the chamber.
Just got home. I had to go to school today. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quickly. It was just really on the bummy side, but I'll just show you anyway. So I'm just wearing this cropped crew neck with like this hoodie on it. I just wore this. It's from Aerie. My jeans are from like Kohl's, but they're too big. Like, this is not acceptable, so I have to get them hemmed. I love them because of the detail at the bottom. They have this like unhemmed jean look, and then I'm just wearing my Ugg minis. I know it looks weird with this outfit, but I was gonna wear my little boy Uggs, but they're just too big for that. Y'all can't even see the packages. I've got packages that we are gonna do an unboxing for. So yeah, so let me sit back so y'all, because I really can't see much stuff. So these are both from American Eagle. I'm missing one more order. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this. This stuff is still gonna be in the haul, so you guys watch the haul. Don't be all like, why is she showing that stuff twice? Because people who didn't watch the vlog aren't gonna know what it is. So I'm not going to try stuff on either. I'm just... So I got these pants by the tell of it. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. They're these like corduroy pants. They look really cute actually. They're more yellow than I thought they were gonna be. But I got these for the winter. I know it's like don't wear white or anything after winter, but I just got these because I wanted a pant to go with my Uggs and not be like, and be like an all neutral look. So I just got these. They look cute. They're like a little corduroy. So yeah, we'll try those on. And then I got this. So I'm missing a lot of more things. Yeah, because I placed this order and then I placed another order. So then I got a Henley from American Eagle. Also, oh, the jeans were $49.95. They're called the Mom Straight Jean in the corduroy stretch. And my typical size is a 6 or an 8. So basically the ones I got right now were 29. I'm just trying to make sure they fit and then I don't have to get a 28. So then I got this top, which is just this like long john corduroy. I mean, it's like a long john waffle tee type thing. And I just got this in a medium, so I probably won't wear them together, but I just wanted this anyway, just to wear for the summertime. So yeah, that's cute. I thought the pants, let me show y'all. I thought the pants were gonna be more of like this white cream color, but they're more of like an opaque-y color, but I actually kind of like them. So I know the light isn't doing them any justice, but you can definitely tell the color difference. Okay, so I got those 2 items and the top was $29.95. So yeah. Now, this is from StockX. I ordered some shoes. They put them upside down when they delivered them. And I feel like they've been tampered with, if I'm being honest, because nobody tapes stuff. It's just school tape. Like, nobody just sends stuff to school tape, and I don't have scissors or anything. I can literally just take my finger. It's literally school tape, like wrapping present tape. But whatever. So it has the bubble wrap. Oh, the box is damaged. That's annoying, and it's like yellowing. It's really annoying. But I got some Nike Dunks. So these are from StockX. It's just my receipt. It says my name, my order number, and then I got the Nike Dunk Lows, the Georgetowns, in a grade school size 5.5, and then I paid $198.22 for them, and my purchase price was $168. So they do have a lot of extra fees because my sales tax and then my processing fee and then shipping. So $168 to $198 is like $30 literally in fees and shipping costs, but what can you do? So yeah, these are them. I'm literally gonna just move the camera down so you guys can see what they look like because they're so cute. Let me just hold it down. All right, so these are the shoes. Oh, they're really cute actually. I don't know why I'm still taking back, but anyway, so this is what they look like. So this is what the shoe looks like. It's just the Georgetown Dunk. I'm gonna try them on because they look so big. This is not gonna fit me. I can tell you right now, they're gonna be too big. Urgh. And the thing with StockX is they don't take return. They look funny on my feet. Let me FaceTime. They look mad funny on my feet. Ugh. Okay, I'll be right back.